To use the mobile app, you'll need an account. You can either create an account if you don't have one, or log into your existing account. In my case, I'll create an account. Keep in mind that this is your clipboard manager, so choose a strong and secure password. On successful creation of the account, a verification will be sent to your email. After verification, we can continue to use the app. Clipblade uses the accessibility service in order to listen to clipboard events like cut, copy, and paste. Tap on Agree to enable this service in the app to function. This will show you the accessibility menu. Tap on Installed Apps and ensure the toggle is on. After being enabled, the app will relaunch and we can start using it. On the top left, you have details of your device, your current account, and the app version. On the top right, you'll see a number denoting the know of devices syncing your clipboard items. For now, I only have the Android app, so that's why I'm seeing the Connect to Other Devices label. We'll dive deeper into this in a separate video. Below this, we have categories of your clips. You can sort by contact, link, text, images, and other files. We can now start copying to see the app in action. Let's start by copying some text in my messages. And some text in the browser. Clipblade will automatically capture them in the background, preventing the need for you to open the app every time. We'll now open the app to examine the clips we just copied. Under the History tab, you can see the 2 clips. Each clip shows the device icon. In this case, I copied from my phone, so it shows the Android icon, the time when I copied, from which device, and the exact app I copied from. You also have metadata such as the know of letters, words, and the actual clip size. You can delete the clip by tapping on the 3 dots at the top right section. Copy it with the copy icon at the bottom, or add it as a favorite. Tapping on the favorites will show your bookmarked clips. You can add up to 30 clips as your favorite. Clips under your favorite tab will never get deleted by the app automatically, unless you manually delete them. Down at the bottom, we have 3 menus. Home, where we're currently at. The Add menu, where we can add text manually or choose a file from our device. And the Settings menu. Here, we have 3 categories. Under Appearance, we can choose whether or not link previews should show in the app. The number of clips to show, by default it's 20. You can set a minimum of 5 and a maximum of 30 clips. You can also set a home screen widget that will show you the apps you've copied from for that specific month. And if you remember correctly, we copied text from 2 apps, Messages and Firefox. The blue bar represents the number of times you've copied for the current month, while the gray bar below it represents the previous month's number of copies. This number includes items you've cut, copied, as well as screenshots taken from that specific app. Back to the app, under the Clipboard Actions category, you can choose whether the app should copy images and screenshots. For this, you'll need to enable the media permission. Let's give it a shot by copying an image in our gallery. Let's grab this pineapple. Let's also find an image online to copy to the clipboard. And finally, let's also take a screenshot of our home screen. Heading back to the app, let's confirm whether all our images from the 3 apps are there. From the gallery, the browser, and the screenshot we just took. Awesome! The Edgeblade is a whole new feature on its own. Tap on the top right to see more about it and how to take full advantage of it. You can choose whether to show the floating browser when a link is copied. For example, on WhatsApp, instead of getting redirected to the browser each time, I can just copy the link and the floating browser will show up. I can also choose to show the floating dictionary when I copy a word on any app. Finally, the security. This is a critical component and should be given the highest priority. You can secure the app with a password. This will prompt you to enter the code each time you open the app. Being primarily a clipboard manager, Clipblade automatically deletes all clips that are more than 7 days old. You can change this setting between a day all the way up to a whole week. All your clips will be deleted, excluding clips under the Favorite tab. You also have an option to delete all your clips manually, including the favorites. An option to log out, as well as the ability to delete your entire account. Check out more tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting updates.